How to deal with depression. Depression is a status of mind which can bring serious impacts on human behavior that can upset the harmony of stability. An uncontrolled state of depression seriously affects all the activities of a man and brings far-reaching biological and metabolic dysfunctionalities. Mental depression is a phenomenon that man has been battling hard over time to smoothen his journey throughout his road of life. The most amazing and intimidating aspect of depression is the consistently inconsistent identification of deep-rooted reasons behind the very mental peregrination. Here, the categorization of reasons becomes ever so impractical. It could not necessarily be attributed to the lean and rough patches in life. It could not significantly be supplemented only with his or her living circumstances. Instead, it is true to state that even a blank-minded state could bring depression to a person. The emotional symptoms of depression are as diverse as they can be. In a depressed state, one would have the least interest to do his routine activities. He would find himself tied up by some unknown force. He would not have any interest to engage himself in anything. Also, a depressed state of mind disturbs even his sleep. Sleepless nights, attributed by the depressed state, can even compound the problems. His thoughts wander like anything as if he has encountered the biggest of blocks in life. He loses his ability of concentration, seriously shifting the track of his professional and personal life. He seems to have no energy in any activity and gives even well-built a man the impression that he is too weak to deal with even the simplest of things. Ultimately, a depressed mind provokes him to question the purpose of his existence. Numerous cases of suicides have been reported because of this mental handicap. It is highly important to note that age is no longer a constraint for mental depression. Revolutionary changes and rapid transformation of lifestyles have helped depression to get cultivated even among the younger generation. Among these people, bitter experiences, desperation, and incidents can be counted as primary reasons for the depression since they stand deep-rooted in their twisted mindsets. If this mental status is not identified and controlled in the initial stage, it can evolve as a serious disorder. The role of family, friends, and society are so critical to bring back their loved ones to a happy life. Friends and relatives must try to convince the depressed to learn the purpose and meaning of life and make them understand the need for overcoming the state of mind to face the challenges of tomorrow. Counseling has proved to be effective over time to retain the peace and harmony of mind. Relaxation exercises are the best medicine to cure mental diseases. Friends and families have the responsibility to inculcate a habit in them. They can even seek the assistance of technology to overcome this mental illness. Hypnosis CDs are developed by experts in this arena and they are available in the market. Hence, depression is a product of mental wanderings and is too intricate to deal in an advanced stage because the intricacy of depression has to be dealt with the delicacy of mind.